Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to see or hide apps in your phone app. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your iManager. Now click on Utility Tools. Press on App Encryption. Enter your password. If your phone is hiding, you'll find here View Hidden Apps. You have to click on this. That's it. So this is how to see your hide apps in your phone app. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.